everyone, Cloud Tech here. Today let's explore another set of some cool gadgets. So let's get started. BlinkCam. This product is designed by a Japanese company. It allows you to take pictures with a blink of an eye. The device is compact and also compatible with any type of glasses. In order to activate the shutter, you just need to blink. The device has an internal memory of 32 GB, a Bluetooth connector, and a micro USB port. Gravity Sketch. This application allows to visualize 3D models in virtual reality. The application allows to draw in 3 dimensions. The Gravity Sketch allows you to draw in the air. This gadget costs $50. Mayo. This device uses the technology called as electromyography. This gadget records your muscle movements and it will produce the signal accordingly. This device can be used in different games and application. The bracelet connects to other devices using Bluetooth 4.0 system, which means it has a range of 32 feet. The first version of Mayo can be ordered for $140. White Shark Mix. This gadget, produced by the Chinese company, weighs 6.2 pounds, has 2 propellers that can reach a speed of 3.5 miles per hour. The maximum depth it can be used is 130 feet. This gadget can be used for 2.5 hours. There's an adapter below for GoPro cameras for mounting them and recording first-person videos. Currently it's available for $300, but after mass production the developers wish to raise the cost to $1,000. Pyro Mini. Don't think that this is something small. It's an amazing gadget that is mini and throws fireball at a distance from 32 to 40 feet. It has 2 containers for nitrocellulose, and its intelligent electronic intestines can be controlled with a button or via Bluetooth. The device comes with a remote control, a bracelet and a bottle of flammable liquid flashbacks, which is enough for 120 shots. The gadget works with an integrated battery that guarantees 600 launches within a single charge. You can buy this mini flamethrower for $175. If you all like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon to never miss an update from Cloud Tech.